Hey everyone, this is Acterys here, Managing Director of Architecture and Platforms here at FP Automation. Welcome back to our series on construction planning and unified analytics within Microsoft Fabric. In this video, we will be talking all about forecast accuracy. And the idea behind forecast accuracy here is for us to be able to compare our estimate at completion, showcasing where the job is supposed to land based on cost to complete estimates from the field team for a given period of time, for a given month, compared to the revised estimate, which was the revised estimate, which was essentially the original budget plus any change orders that came into the job later on that were approved. So the idea behind this is that over time, since your team is going to be forecasting cost to complete and will also be taking actuals for all months prior to the current month selected, we will be able to see how accurate exactly the job is compared to what the revised estimated costs look like here. And the idea behind this is for you to immediately spot anomalies where forecasts are not necessarily up to par with what the revised estimated cost is showing, allowing you to question the estimates themselves and understand if truly this is the case where costs are going to be coming in significantly lower than what is expected here. So this is more so to be a fact check mechanism where over time, as you get new forecasted months or estimated at completion values based on a cost to complete submission from your field team, you can see the trend and also see how accurate your team is performing against the revised estimate itself. In addition to this, this also serves as a way to be able to look at historical jobs to see those revised estimates and estimated completions, and then ensure that in the future, if you have similar jobs of size as well as nature of how they are being set up, that you can continue to create these particular revised estimates based on how jobs performed in the past based on similarities. So I hope this all made sense here, guys. Again, meant to be really kind of a trending mechanism of how estimated completions are changing over time compared to the revised estimated costs to see how accurate your team is at forecasting for the future. So thank you, and this is Alp signing out.